Okay, so in this next part of order flow module, I will show you how you can download ATAS for free, how you can set it up for BTC trading, because I trade only and only BTC, and I will show you my settings, therefore you can get the same visual as I have. So let's first download ATAS for free, install it, and create account at ATAS. ATAS is also a platform for execution, so you can basically trade off of ATAS, but I don't use it personally. I use TradingView for my execution and TradeLocker. So I only use ATAS for footprint chart and for basically only for footprint chart. So yeah. After you open ATAS, you will see this homepage. So click chart and to all instrument tab, type BTC USD. Find subfolder Bybit futures and click BTC USD Bybit. Okay, and it will open this default order flow window. Maximize this window and open templates, settings, import, and here choose the lunartrading.cts config or template, which you can download as a gold member of Lunar Trading Academy for free exactly at this link, which is basically linked below this video. And boom, you have my ATAS settings. You can see volume profile of each candle, volume area of each candle, bid and ask imbalances, set it up to 6 for each candle, and delta bars and volume bars. So now everything is complete and now you can start trading BTC. In the next module, I will show you my approach to market and how you can combine everything you just saw and just learned together so you can get the maximum results and the best setups as possible. Let's move on.